Hello, you're welcome. We're finally wrapping this up. This is question 23 of 25, and it's about surds. What do we call surds? Surds are actually irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? Numbers that cannot be written as fractions. Those are the numbers we refer to as irrational numbers. Now, when we are asked to rationalize the denominator, it implies that we should make the denominator a number that looks like a regular number that can be written as a fraction. The process of rationalizing the denominator entails that we multiply the top and the bottom, that is both numerator and denominator, by the conjugate of the denominator. What do we mean by conjugate? Think about it in terms of the opposite operator. What do I mean? The operator in the denominator currently is positive. So what's the opposite operator to being positive? That is negative. So our conjugate for root 6 plus 1 will be root 6 minus 1 over root 6 minus 1. Why are we doing that? We do not plan to change the value of this surd. All we want to do is to rationalize the denominator. And you could think about it like an equivalent fraction. You know, when you want to change your fraction or you want to look for an equivalent fraction, you multiply both your numerator and your denominator by the same value. So that's all we've done here. So let's tidy this up. This becomes, our numerator becomes 45 into bracket root 6 minus 1. And our denominator becomes root 6 plus 1 times root 6 minus 1. All right, so we leave our numerator as it is for now. We'll come back to it later, so we'll just rewrite it here, root 6 minus 1. The interesting one is the denominator. We're going to open up this double bracket. Root 6 times root 6, that's going to give us 6. Root 6 times minus 1, that is minus root 6. Root 6 times positive 1, that is positive root 6. And plus 1 times minus 1 will give us minus 1. Simplifying our denominator, we have simplifying the denominator, we have minus root 6 plus root 6. They take care of each other. They are gone. So we have 6 minus 1, which gives us 5. All right. So 5 here, 1. 5 here, 9. Because there are 9 5s in 45. So that is our final answer. 9 into bracket root 6 minus 1. You think you want to open the bracket? It's fine. Just open it correctly. But this is fine. So don't bother opening the bracket. Just write 9 into bracket root 6 minus 1. And you're fine. We're done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking till the very end. Please like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one. And the next question we are going to be looking at